Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Dominion Silver token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Dominion is launching SILV, a tokenized silver product on Solana. Each SILV token is designed to provide economic exposure to one fine troy ounce of silver and is backed 1:1 by investment grade physical silver allocated to Dominion dedicated reserve structure. The silver is held in institutional vaulting arguments in Texas and is allocated and segregated by a bar serial number. SILV is designed to make silver digitally accessible, transferable, and usable across DeFi while maintaining real-world assets backing and transparent reserve documentation. Dominion Silver token total supply is 92.73 thousand and circulating supply is also 92.3 thousand. SILV token. SILV token is listed on Orca, Metaora, DLM, Radium, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.